Well, a woman caught on camera apparently coughing onto a child. This happened earlier this month at a yogurt shop in San Jose, California. Take a look here. You can see the woman toward the right of your screen. Police say she got upset because another woman with her child weren't social distancing. The woman then removes her mask, and police say she coughed several times close to the child's face. You can see that there. The woman then just left the store. So right now police are still looking for her. Wow.